Hello mga blind box, welcome to my YouTube channel, and once again we have this new set of random blind boxes from PopMart, and guess what? We have freebie from them, so I'm gonna share it with you and samahan nyo akong mag-unboxing at sana makuha ko lahat ng mga prize ko for today. Hello guys, so let's start the unboxing, but before that, let me show you the random blind boxes that I've got for today. I've got 2 Demo by your side. Yeah, here the 2 Demo by your side. I got another Demo Weaving Wonders. So this the Demo Weaving Wonders. I got 2 Molly, 1 Huggable Discovery, see, and 1 Molly Baking Time. Pakita ko muna sa inyo yung mga blind boxes na nakuha ko. Kumuha din ako ng Mega Space Molly version 2, 100%. Then I got 2 Sweet Bean, I Want a Hug. 2 Sweet Bean, I Want a Hug. So patong natin dito. And then I got another one, Chaka Light Spirit. Chaka Light Spirit, and 1 Crying Again, Cry Baby Blind Box Plush Badge. Then of course, gaya ng sabi ko kanina, PopMart is so generous today, and they gave me a Skull Panda mini bag. See? So guys, let's start it now. Hi guys, let me start unboxing our first blind box for today. Cry Baby Crying Again Plush Badge Blind Box. They have 12 colors, 12 designs for this series. They have the Baby Brown, Baby Blonde, Star Boy, I'll Give You All My Love, Love is Love, The Rubber, Love Make Us Cry, What a Frog, Heartless Girl, I'll Bring You a Flower, She's Alice, and Duck You. And they have 3 secrets ito. One of 144, probability of 1 of 144, and 1 of 288. So my prio for this collection, I like Cutesy, Love Make Us Cry, What a Frog, okay, Duck You, these 3. Cute din si I'll Bring You a Flower. And then Star Boy, yeah, I like this one. I hope I'll get my prio Star Boy. Okay, let me start it. Oh, I don't like a spoiler, so let me check. And actually I don't know, this is my first time to get this plush blind box from Crying Again. Okay, 1 2 3. Oh, I get the, wait, what's this? Love is Love. Yo, Love is Love. May box, ano to? Meron card. Oh no, it's a sticker. So, let me show you the sticker. Love is Love. It's a rainbow cry baby. And she's hanging in the clouds. See, napaka-floppy ng clouds niya. It's very cute. Yeah. It's a badge that you can pin on your t-shirt or bag. And then, napakaganda nitong plush niya pendant. See? Kita nyo ba? Yan. Ganda oh. It's cute. It's not my prio, but it's very cute. I can keep this one for you. So let me go on my next blind box. So guys, let me unbox the second one. Actually it's Chaka Light Sprite pala siya. I mentioned Chaka Light Spirit, so let me correct myself. It's Chaka Light Sprite. It has a 12 designs as well, and 1 secret, a probability of 144. They have the Undermoon, Sunset Glow, Wave, Candlelight, Shadow of the Trees, Meteor. Oh, I like Meteor. It's either Meteor or Wave, I like. Also Aurora. These 3 are my prios. And then Firewood, my least favorite in this collection. I'm hoping to get these 3 prios. And of course, who don't like to get a secret, right? So let me open this one. I don't like any spoiler. These are a snack. Actually, it's not a snack. Oh, wait lang. Meron siyang inclusion. I don't like to spoil myself. Una. Okay. Let me open this 1, 2, 3. Oh! Sino to? Oh no! Ano ba yan? May Liz Pryo. I got the wood. Liz Pryo, but she's so nice. See, ang ganda ng color grading niya, oh. It's a combination of brown. Actually, it's maroon. Brown, maroon. Ang ganda nung eyes niya. It's like she's wearing a gown with the ruby on the neck. Tapos yung eyes niya is like a firing eyes. Ang ganda niya. Oh, okay, ang ganda ng details niya. Oh. It's like a bark of a tree. Ayan, nakita niyo ba? Ganda ng details. Ganda nitong ano to? It's not tsaka. It's so beautiful. Wait lang, may inclusion siya. Ay, sorry. Lagay ko muna sa dyan. Let me open the inclusions. Okay. Meron siyang kasama na stand. Is the stand? Paano ito lalagay? Ayun. Tako na. Ayan. Tapos yung ang tawag dito, light fire. Paano ba ito ilagay? Ayan. Tanggal. Ang ganda niya. It's so nice. Akala ko it will be my list. Oh, diba? Ang ganda. She's so beautiful. Ganda ng details. Oh, this is my first time to get a tsaka light sprite. Light sprite, tama. So, let me show you the card, the art card. Not so good. Very simple. Meron bang amoy ito? Wala siyang amoy. Not so fancy. Very simple art card. Pero bumawi naman sila doon sa mismong figurine. Ang ganda niya. Sobrang ganda. Yun lang. Let me put it here. Our second blind box for today. By the way, guys, meron pala akong guest for today. He's gonna do some of the unboxing. This CJ. Okay, CJ, give me the third box that you want to open. Yeah, sige nga. Open mo. Oo, sige. Go. Ayan.
Hi guys.
Yeah.
I'll be taking over this channel for a few minutes now. Sige. Yung third box namin would be Dimu by your side. Actually, we already have, I think, one from this series, which I think embrace emotions. And
embrace emotions. Anong gusto mo ba dyan?
Actually, ang gusto ko dito, and don't be afraid, tsaka yung startled. Pero let's see which one yung makuha.
Okay, wait.
Actually,
ako gusto ko si light up.
Okay. Two boxes naman. Two boxes yung kinuha namin. So, hopefully, makuha namin yung mga prize namin. And at the same time, wag yung duplicate.
Wag yung duplicate.
Na embrace emotions.
Of course, secret. Don't forget the secret. They have two secret.
Let's see.
Okay, I'm so excited.
Wait. This one.
Out of focus yan. Hirap na hirap pa.
Let's see. Maraming
Sarain muna. Careful. Don't show the spoiler. Okay. Don't show the spoiler. Oops. Okay. Ayun.
Oops, meron siya.
Meron spoiler. Pwede siya nakita.
Let's see.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Wow!
Yes!
Yung playo mo!
Yeah, this is actually my most figurine from this set. Ang ganda!
Ang ganda! Wow. Yeah, you're so lucky!
Yeah.
Sabi sa'yo kanina, di ba?
Nalug-alug lang namin.
Nalug-alug natin.
Wait lang. I think ito yung natatanggal.
Ang ganda, natatanggal. So you can change one head from another. Yeah. Check mo yung yun. Ayun.
Sige, wait. Meron siyang
Tignan natin ito.
additions or inclusions. Let's see kung paano siya.
Excited.
Yeah.
Excited ka. Okay, labas na natin yung card niya. Show it to them.
Look, ang ganda ng design.
Ang ganda niya.
Meron siyang parang small pet, like a mud or slime.
Ayun, ang cute. Oh.
May one eye. Tapos ito yung ano niya. Wait,
patungan niya,
patungan
stand.
niya. Paano ba ito? Kapag ganun.
Ay, hindi, parang nakaano siya. Meron siyang butas doon na yun.
Ganyan.
Ano? Yeah. That's right. Ayan. Ang
Ganda.
Ang ganda ng details.
Yeah, nag-rotating head.
Rotating head.
And one snipe. Yeah,
Dito
I guess.
yata yun sa harapan eh. Show the art. Ayan.
Yeah, look.
Ayan, yan yung art card niya.
Ganda.
Ang ganda ng art card. Nakuha niya yung prayo niya si Startled. So, ayusin mo lang. This is the third blind box. Ayan.
Di ba?
Hindi mo alam. Patingin. Ayan, tama.
Papaganon pala.
Ayun. Tapos sa harapan niya si ano. Very nice.
Medyo mabigat lang.
Mabigat ba siya? Let me see.
Di. Dapat ata ganun. Not sure. Yan.
Ayan. Tapos, ayan. Okay.
And here's our fourth box. This actually came from the same series, Demo by Your Side. So, we already have yung Embrace Emotions sa yung Startled. Hopefully, makuha namin tong Don't Be Afraid.
Ito si Embrace Emotions, di ba?
Here.
That's Embrace Emotion, yeah.
Pero yun, hopefully, makuha namin tong si Don't Be Afraid. Pero
okay lang sa akin kung si Light Up yan.
Or Secret.
Yeah.
Sige.
Excited.
Okay. Medyo di pa marunong magbukas.
Okay lang yan.
So, let's see. No
spoiler.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's see.
Oh no. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh!
Wait.
Sino
This is
yan?
the one na nandun sa ano.
Siya yung nasa cover.
Yeah.
Ito yung gusto mo?
Yeah, actually this one also one of my actually lahat sila prayo ko.
Si Pleasure.
Pero let's see kung meron siyang additions or inclusions.
Wait lang. Ang ganda ng patungan niya. Yung stand niya, it's like velvety. Ayun no. Velvety yung texture ng gamusa niya. Pati itong scarf niya. Show it to them. Oh.
Yeah. Maganda.
Maganda siya. Velvety.
Yeah, look.
Yeah.
Actually, this series kasi talagang maganda. Especially yung this one, malambot.
Malambot. Tsaka velvety yung
ano.
Like gamusa, no?
Yeah.
Ang ganda. Tingnan mo sa likod niya. So, para siyang yung nagre-relax lang over the
clouds.
Garden. Actually, it's a garden with flowers. Tapos humahangin. Ang ganda ng details, no? Pati yung scarf niya, it's like a velvety finish. And that's our fourth box. So, we didn't get the second prio, but this one is very cute as well.
Yep. And plus, no duplicates.
No duplicates. That's the most important thing. Yun ang challenge namin ngayon, no duplicates, because these are random blind boxes. So guys, I'm back and let me open the fifth blind box, and we got the Sweet Bean, I Want a Hug. Actually, we have two. I got two Sweet Bean, I Want a Hug, because I have two priors that I want to get. One is the, di ko makita, di ko siya mabasa. It's Before I Became Numb. Before I Became Numb, ito yon. And I want the one in the helicopter. Ayun. I want the one in the helicopter. Of course, I'm curious about the secret. So, let me open for you para naman sabay-sabay tayong ma-excite kung makukuha ba namin yung prior. Is this my first time to get a Sweet Bean? Actually, second na to, no? Because I have Sweet Bean na yung Heroic Beggar pala. So, guys, I'm so excited. Medyo mabigat to, ha? Oh. Hindi siya maalog, so mabigat. So, I hope makuha ko yung prayo ko. I don't like any spoiler. Yeah. Oh, ang ganda ng niya, oh. Ang ganda ng packaging niya, ng foil. It's very colorful and anong tawag sa ganitong color? Pastel color Sweet Bean. Okay. Okay guys, wow. 1, 2, 3. Oh no! This is not my pride, pero cute. It's like she or he is carrying a baby sweet bean. Ano to? Yung head niya is like a petal of, ano ba to? Parang tulips. It's like a petal of tulips. Ang ganda. And then meron siyang dew drops. This is like a water. And then nakaupo siya sa stand ng ano to, yung sa ilalim ng flowers. It's like a tulip. Ang ganda niya. It's not my favorite, pero I'm hoping on my second box makuha ko yung prio ko. And guys, tingnan nyo. Tingnan natin yung art card niya. This is the art card. Ganda yung art card niya. Tingnan nyo. Sweet bean, I want a hug. And then, ganito yung likuran niya. Very simple, but it's colorful. So guys, this is my this is my 5th blind box, not my prio. Let me put it here. Okay, let me go on my next sweet bean. And I'm hoping na makuha ko na siya. Ito yung gusto ko, kaya ito, si Pilot, yung parang Pilot. 1, 2, 3, yun ang gusto makuha. Tsaka I'm curious about who's the secret, para siyang burr. Okay, let me open the second box from Sweet Bean. Oh my gosh! Ayun, bigat. Yan lang pala yung nagpapabigat. Ay, parang siya nga. Kasi may nakahiga, oh. Wait lang. Nakahiga siya, oh. Sana ito na yung prio ko. 1, 2, 3... Ay, hindi! Hindi ito yung prio ko. Again. Ano ba yan? It's not my prio. Sino to? Let me get out the card, the art card. Okay, sino to? When I'm sleeping. So, yeah, he's sleeping. He's like sleeping on a bed. Nakatak in siya sa kumot. May kasama siyang mini sweet bean as well. It's cute actually. It's very cute. But it's not my prio, but it's very cute. Ang ganda ng color combination niya. Orange, pastel orange, yellow. Parang katatapos lang niya magbasa. Then meron siyang tulips. Ayan, orange tulips. Then mini burr. Nakita niyo ba? Mini burr, tapos merong Christmas tree, burr. Mini burr. Ayan. Not my prio, but it's okay. Cute pa rin naman siya. That's my 6 box, 2 for 6 blind boxes figurine. So, let me proceed on my next blind box. So guys, my guest for today is here again to unbox another blind boxes. So, heto na siya.
Hi guys! Taking over this video ulit. We have another 2 set of Molly. One from Carb Lover, tsaka one from Baby Molly. Yep, sige. Let's start with muna siguro Baby Molly.
Baby Molly na lang. Sino ba prio mo dyan?
Sa Baby Molly, actually, isa lang talaga yung gusto ko dito, which is yung ito, a bear hug.
Okay. So
pero, of course, we can also have the secret. Pero hopefully, ito talaga yung makuha natin.
Actually, gusto ko din to. Ito, this one. Have stubbornness.
Or I think those two. Or the secret. Pero yun. Wala siyang alog. So, hopefully, either of the two. Kasi medyo malaki sila. Let's see.
Oh no. Oh no. Mas excited pa ako. Ganon. No spoiler. Uh-oh.
Let's see.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Oh no!
Okay.
Sino nakuha mo? Si Had the Universe.
Okay, see.
Wait! Ay! Meron siyang ilaw.
Wait lang.
Check mo nga, may battery siya. Tanggalin mo muna to. Yan. Oh! Ang ganda niya.
Okay.
Wait lang. Oh, kaya pala ito. Show the art card.
Ang ganda.
Umiilaw siya. So,
it's very unexpected na
unexpected, yes. Ang ganda ng art card. Super ganda ng art card.
Swerte tayo sa pag-pull.
Oo nga.
Swerte ka kumuha.
Oo nga, ganda. Ito yung instruction niya. So, hindi namin kasi chinek yung box niya. So, pag may mga ganito kasi, usually, may mga battery operated siya. So, ang ganda. Patay mo na yung light kasi sayang yung battery.
I guess meron ng cutter, no?
Si Mime silent.
Yeah.
Ang ganda. Nice.
Kahit di naman naman prayo, at least.
Ang ganda niya. Yes.
Nakilala namin yung series dahil lang dun sa isang figurine. Pero, guess what? Nakuha namin beyond our expectations.
Beyond our expectations, yan, guys.
Ay. Sige, the next one will be our 8 box. This is actually from Molly ulit. Carb Lover.
Yeah, we got one.
We already have one. Though wala sa background. I think, sino ba siya dito? Elegant Waffle.
Yeah.
Hopefully, actually, personally, gusto ko ito. Yummy Bread Shoes.
Okay.
O kaya naman si Baker Gardener.
Si Baker Gardener. Ako okay sa akin si Crocodile Bread tsaka si Croissant Balaklava. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Hindi ako makaget over dun sa nakuha natin. Ang ganda niya.
Let's see.
No spoiler!
Sorry guys, hindi ako marunong mag-bukas ng maayos na box. Sisira ko siya.
1, 2, lang yan. No spoiler. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh!
Oops! Wait.
Oh! Yung gusto ko.
Wow!
Ang cute pala niya.
Yeah.
One of my prio for this series. Ang ganda niya kasi.
Likod.
Ang ganda ng details ng series na to kasi tingnan niyo naman It's a croissant. It's a croissant. Yung naka-head siya ng croissant tapos it's actually pag na-touch niyo to, it's rubberized. It's not a PVC or hard material. It's a rubberized. Ang ganda ng mata niya. It's emerald eyes. Show the art card.
Let's see. Ito here.
Ayan. See? Ano yan? Croissant Balaklava. Ang ganda niya. Mas maganda siya sa personal. Ang ganda ng color combination. I like the red dress. White and dress. Very simple. Ang ganda ng color gradient niya. Especially ito. Guys, ang ganda nito. Even diba si Waffle? Yung niya, yung elegant crown niya, si Elegant Waffle. Yung crown niya, it's rubberized as well. Ang ganda. Okay. Not this prio, but my prio.
Yun lang guys.
Napakita natin siya.
Ganda.
Okay. So guys, let me proceed with our 9th box. We got another Dimu. Yan. Dimu Weaving Wonders. So, last time, ayun nga, we got this one, si Moonlight, Explorer. Andun siya, si Moonlight Explorer sa background. So, we are hoping to get the Star Catcher or si Wishful Dreamings. This Wishful Dreaming, right? Either of these two were good, or Dream of Courage. Yan, si Dream of Courage. Ito yung mga prio namin, si Dream of Courage, si Star Catcher, or si Wishful Dreaming. Tama ba? Wishful Dreaming. So, we're hoping to get, of course, Secret. Let me open this one, our 9 boxes. Later, we're gonna choose our top 3. Top best 3. Sige, top 3 ko. Top 3 din sa guest ko for today. Ayoko ng spoiler. Nasira yung box. Masyadong madikit. Ayun. Sino kaya to? Sana hindi na lang siya duplicate. Kasi medyo malaki siya. Ayan. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Yung ayaw natin. I don't know. Sabi niya, we don't like this one kasi nakapikit. And then, wait lang. Meron tong inclusion. Ito. Here's the art card. Si Dream of Garden. Ayan. Cute naman siya, pero it's not our prio. Ito yung stand niya. Let me show you the stand. Hindi ko makita. Ayan. Meron siyang inclusion. Meron siyang stand. Ito. Meron siyang stand. Tsaka, I guess it's like a little... stand talaga yata ito sa likuran eh. Let me check. I hope hindi ito tama ba? Ay, ito yata siya. Ito. Tama ba? Parang hindi. Parang mali. Okay, tama. Dito siya. Ayan. Yun. And then, we have to put it here sa stand. Medyo hindi nga lang talaga siya madikit. So, we really have to put a glue on here. Ayun. Medyo natatanggal-tanggal. Yan. Okay, wait. Okay, yan. Ayun. So, ganun siya. Ano siya? Levitating. Ay! Natatanggal. Wait lang. Ba't siya natatanggal? He's levitating kasi on this design. So, yan. He's levitating. Ay, nakita nyo ba? Pop, down natin. Yan. So, he's levitating. Ayan, kung nakita nyo. Ayan. Levitating siya. Yan, tingnan nyo sa likod. Meron siyang support to levitate. Ayan. Not my price. Actually, maganda siya. So, it's good. Ang ganda niya. Siyempre, yung trademark ni Dimu. Clouds, eyes. Ang ganda ng brown hair niya. Actually, ang ganda ng finish ni Dimu. Finishing ni Dimu. Para siyang matte finish. Very soft. He's wearing a blue baby clothes. It's like he's dreaming, then nagle-levitate siya. So, not my prior. So, I'll show you the art card. Ayan. Ayun. These are 9 blind box. So, guys, here's our 10th blind box for today. It's Mega Space Molly Series 02. So, 100% lang to. Medyo malit lang siya. The usual. So, prior ko rito si... Sino ba to? Wait. Ayan. Prior ko rito si... Si Banana 2017. Tsaka si... It's either Maylin Panda. Ayun, si Maylin Panda. Si Banana 2017. Tsaka si John Michael. Ito, si John Michael. Yan. So, I hope meron siyang 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 characters and they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 secrets. So, I hope makakuha tayo ng either of the 5 secrets for today. Let's open this. Space Molly. Space Molly. Give me a surprise with Space Molly. Ay, tanggal. Yan. Yan, payo ko, sana ito. Ito, kung nasa front. Si Banana, tsaka si Maylin Panda. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh! Wait lang, sino to? Si Pink Panther. I got Pink Panther. Tingnan nyo naman. Pink Panther. Ang ganda niya. She has like, ano to? Yellow, orange eyes. Kita nyo na ba? Yan. Na out of focus. Yellow, orange eyes. She's wearing pink astronaut suit. Then, ang ganda nung ano niya dito. Parang oxygen tank niya. Very clear. Then, may nakalagay dito pink. Then, let me close this one. If you can see, ayan, nakalagay Space Molly. Then, ito yung harap nung helmet niya. Okay, let me remove some plastic here. Ayan. Ganda nung details niya. Ayun, nagagalaw-galaw pala yung kamay. Then, ayan. Kunin natin yung camera coder niya. Kasama siya dito. Ito yung inclusion niya. Small camcorder. Ayan. Kita nyo ba? Nag-out of focus ako. Ay, paano ba to? Ayan. See? Ganda oh. Ayan. Let me show you the art card. Ayan. It's Pink Panther, Space Molly, version 2, 100%. Ayan. Not my prio, pero again, Space Molly is very nice, very cute. Ganda ng details. And again, it's Pink Panther. Lagyan natin dito. Okay, so share ko sa inyo yung binigay na freebie ni Pop Mart sa amin, yung Skull Panda Mini Bag Pink. So ito, so I'm thinking if I'm gonna give this one to my niece on her birthday. Open natin just to show it to you. I never saw this one, never had. Yan, open natin para maganda pa rin yung packaging niya. Okay. Oh, ang ganda niya. Oh. Ang ganda niya. It's like this is the head of Skull Panda na meron siya. Anong tawag dito sa ganito? Yung sa helmet niya na bubbles. And meron siyang silver chain. If you can see. Open natin. Ayun. Very nice. Maganda siya para sa mga teenagers to wear this one. Also, not so teenagers. Ganda ng zipper. Ayan. You can put some, for girls, some lipstick or your earphones. Pwede mong ilagay dito. Then, sabi mo lang siya. Meron siyang, ayan, silver chain that you can put here. I guess. Ito mo siya ilalagay. Tama ba? Ayan. Okay, so ayan. Ganito lang siya. Ganda. Ganda siya pang regalo. So guys, here's my random blind boxes for today. So we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 blind boxes, and I'm gonna choose my top 5. And my first and my... Ikaw. Choose one for you. Who's your top 5?
Sige, for me,
fourth muna ba? O yung top 1 muna, okay. You can choose the top 1 now.
Sige, ako papiliin. I'll choose yung Startled as the first one.
Okay, si Startled will be your first. Okay.
Second would be ito, si Baby Molly. Parang holding.
Okay, si Baby Molly. Actually, I agree with you.
Third would be the Pink Panther Molly.
Pink Panther Molly.
Fourth, this one.
Okay, your fifth.
And then, ang panglima ko, I'll give this the fifth spot. Steve.
Okay. So that's your top 5.
First, second, third, fourth, fifth.
Okay. So, sige. For me, I agree with you. I'll get this one as my top on the list kasi meron siyang unexpected na light. Let me show it to you again. Ayan. It's a battery operated. Tapos she is hugging the, I guess this is a moon or earth or in the planet. Then she is my top 1. My top 2 is unexpected na magugustuhan ko, si Chocolate Sprite. Siya yung top 2 ko. Then top 3 ko si Startled ng Dimu. Of course, top 4 ko si Molly, si Balaklava Kusan, and of course, my top 5 is Space Molly, Pink Panther. So, ayan guys. So, ayan ang mga top 5 ko for today sa random blind boxes na inopen namin for today. So, I hope nagustuhan din nyo. And I'm looking forward na sana makasubscribe na rin kayo. If you want to subscribe and watch again my another unboxing video, you can subscribe and click the notification bell para ma-notify naman kayo pag meron akong panibagong unboxing video for my vlog. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye!